How to reset network settings of your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset the network settings of your Windows 11 computer, especially if you are encountering issues or glitches with your internet connection. So to do this, the first thing that you need to do is head on to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. To head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and then right click onto this start button, and from here simply choose the settings option. Then under the settings application, you need to click onto this network and internet tab on the left, and then under the network and internet settings you can see this advanced network settings, view all network adapters, network reset. So simply click onto this option, and from here under the more settings you will have this option of network reset all network adapters to factory settings. So simply click onto this network reset option, and here it says this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client softwares or virtual switches. So all you need to do is simply click onto this reset now button, and the moment you will do this, your network settings will be reset, and hopefully the issue that you were might be facing will now be solved. So that's how easily you can reset the network settings in your Windows 11 computer. So that's all for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments if this feature or video worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.